3 bolts. 19, 17. And take this whole bracket off. It's 3 bolts, that's it. You don't have to take the top part off. You just tighten it. Now to remove that, you're going to go ahead and remove that bolt and take a mallet and remove that. I keep that washer on there. So then it goes in as such. I put the slot on the outside, and like I said, I go under here. I'll keep this washer here. I'll actually put some WD-40 inside of those bolt holes and give it a rip. Underneath, 2 bolts. That removes the whole plate. Don't even go to the top shock bolt.
This is aluminum, so
boom, done.
They have a different temperature.